Hi guys, here's a quick video on how to solve literal equations. Just a quick reminder before you take the test on how to do these. Remember, literal equations are equations that have more than one variable. So I have an equation here that has a y and an x. So the first thing you need to know is which one are we solving for, and it'll be in the directions. So they want you to solve for y, which means get the y by itself. So in this equation, the only thing you need to get rid of is this minus 3x, the whole thing. Now to get rid of a minus 3x, you need to add 3x. So we're going to add 3x to both sides. Now that did get rid of the minus 3x. Our y is still there, but over here, be really careful because these are not like terms. So you just rewrite it. There was a 13 there to start with, and then you added the 3x, and you're done. Your y is by itself. This is complete. You have solved this literal equation for y. Let's try another one. What if you have something like this? 4x minus 5 equals 7 plus 4y, and they want you to solve for y again. So they want to get this y all by itself. So we know we're going to need to get rid of this 4, and we're going to need to get rid of this 7. Let's try the 7 first because the 4 is the coefficient. Save it for last. So we subtract 7, and the only thing over here that's like terms with the 7 is this minus 5. So we have 4x, negative 5 minus 7 is negative 12. This cancels, and we have 4y. Now the only thing that we need to get rid of is the 4, which is a coefficient. So we need to divide by 4, but we have to divide everything by 4. Then, when you look at this side, there's some simplifying we can do. 4 over 4 is 1, so this is just 1x. The negative 12 divided by 4 is negative 3. The 4's cancel, and we're done. Our y is by itself. This is our answer. Notice that the x is still in the equation, and it's going to be because it didn't cancel out or anything. Let's try another one. M equals 10x minus x. And on this one, they want you to solve for x. So they want the x by itself. So when you notice on this one, it kind of looks a little strange because you've got a bunch of x's over on this side. But remember, if you have like terms on the same side of the equation, you need to combine them. This is just 10x minus an x. And remember, there's a 1 right here. So this side is really 9x. Our m is still here. Now they want you to get the x by itself, so the only thing we need to get rid of is the 9. Well, it's a coefficient. It's being multiplied to x, so we always divide to get rid of a coefficient. This cancels. There's nothing we can do here, so this is just m over 9 equals x, and we're done. See how they look like formulas when you're done? You're not going to get a value for x. You're just going to get another expression. Let's try one more. Let's try, how about if we do, trying to find one for us, 20x plus 5y equals 15. Now, we're going to keep this where we solve for x, and let's see what happens. Here's our x, so we know we're going to have to get rid of the 20, and we're going to have to get rid of the entire 5y. Well, the 20 is the coefficient, so we're going to save that for last. So we need to get rid of this 5y. Subtract the entire thing from both sides. 20x is still there. The 15 minus 5y we can't do. They're not like terms, so we just rewrite it horizontally. Now we're ready to get rid of the coefficient. We have to divide. Everything gets divided. So let's see what simplifies. This cancels, So we get x equals, now 15 over 20 can be simplified. We can divide these both by 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 20 divided by 5 is 4. This also can be simplified. They both can be divided by 5. So 5 divided by 5 is 1, and 20 divided by 5 is 4, and it has a y with it. And we're done. Our x is by itself. I hope that helps you remember how to solve literal equations. If you have any questions, you'll have to let me know.